How to configure automatic backup in Windows. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can configure automatic backup in your Windows device. So let's get started. First step is open up your control panel. So for that, you can open up your run and search for control, or simply head over to your search bar and search for control panel. After you open up your search, what you'll then need to do is you'll need to search for an option called backup and restore. You'll see backup and restore Windows 7. Tap on that and there you will see backup. Now first we'll back up our settings. We'll start the backup. Tap on setup backup and let it load. Here you will see starting Windows backup. So wait while this loads, and while this loads, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you do not miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you do not miss out on our future videos. Now right here, if you have any USBs or any external hard drive, you can just plug that in, and here you will see your backup destinations. From here you can select any backup destination and then tap on the next button right here. After you tap on next, you'll then need to select what you want to do with the backup and how frequently you want to backup. After doing that, your backup should start and you're good to go. It's that simple. You can also save on a network. You can tap on save on a network to select a shared space on the network with any other device where you can back your Windows up. And that's basically how you back up your Windows. And that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye-bye.